Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need updated iOS and a little space. Once ready, open the camera app and switch to photo mode. Tap the control or the top arrow, then tap the Photographic styles icon to reveal presets. You're starting with options like vibrant, rich contrast, warm, and cool. Tap each preview to see live changes. This shows you how tone and warmth shift in real time. Make sure to frame your subject and watch the histogram or exposure before moving to the next step. Now you'll customize the chosen style. Tap a preset, then adjust tone and warmth sliders to fine-tune contrast and color temperature. You can preview the effect live through the viewfinder so you see how skin tones and highlights react. Use the rear camera for more accurate results. If lighting shifts, long press to lock exposure and focus. This maintains your look while composing. Once you're happy, take a few test shots to confirm the style translates in different lighting. Finish by tapping Done to save that photographic style for the current camera session. You can make it the default if you prefer consistent results. After shooting, compare original and styled versions in photos to confirm skin tones and highlights look natural. If colors appear incorrect, make sure HDR and true tone settings aren't conflicting. Reset the style or switch to neutral, then reapply small tone/warmth tweaks. If issues persist, restart the camera app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.